Here from the East Rand of Johannesburg in South Africa, and I'm so excited to share with you today's product highlight. And our product for today is the Formula One shake. Okay, it's a Formula One shake. It's a meal replacement shake or a healthy meal, depending on the country that you're in. The label will be different. So the shake mix is what we call it in South Africa, and it comes in different flavors: cookies and cream, tropical, vanilla, strawberry, and the flavors are changing all the time. So as new flavors arrive, like banana cream and that kind of thing, other flavors will rotate. So at the moment, we've got about 8 or 9 different flavors, and right here in my hand I've got cookies and cream. This has got 21 servings. Okay, so this is really awesome. But we also have a vanilla that comes as a 30 serving, and probably by the time you're watching this, maybe all the flavors will be coming in this 30 serving, which is really awesome. So today I'm going to show you how to mix this, and how to what liquid to use, and what to mix it in. So basically you're going to, this is very important. Your shake is normally very compact, so what I like to do is I like to take it and I like to just mix it up like that, because as you know, it settles down and it becomes so compact. So you want to do that, get a bit of air in there, and then we're going to use the shaker bottle. So the shaker bottle is basically like that. This is a super shaker bottle. It's a bit confusing, this thing. Sometimes when you get it, it's assembled and you got all these things, you don't know what to do with it. This is the spring that you put inside. It helps to break up the lumps, and then you've got 2 compartments underneath. So this little compartment is for your tablets. For example, like if you had your Herbalife line, which is your omega-3s, or maybe your cell activator, or maybe, you know, whichever products, whichever tablets you've got. And then this is for an extra serving of shake. So you got your extra serving of shake. It's like a nice little carry thing, and then your tablets all underneath here. Okay, and then you put that in there. All right, so my phone is going crazy, no problem. It's a good sign. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the little spring out, okay? And in this big tub of shake, it actually comes with a spoon, but the others don't, okay? So this is like basically a tablespoon. So you use 2 of these, all right? So I'm going to put in 2 of those. But you could also use the Herbalife measuring spoon, okay? The Herbalife measuring spoon, and you use this side here, the big side, 2 flat ones of those. But I'm just so lazy, sometimes I can't find that spoon, so I just use a normal tablespoon. So I'll go quite heaped, okay? Quite heaped, 1 and 2, right? 2 of those. Now, you can mix your shake with, I wouldn't mix it with just water for now. I would either mix it with like almond milk, sweetened or unsweetened almond milk, or some rice milk, or half milk, half soy, half milk, half water. And I try and stay away from cow's milk because of the lactose problems in cow's milk. Some people can handle it, but also I would also use soya milk, liquid soy milk. The other option is to use the, let me have a look here, this product which is called the protein drink mix. Okay, this gives you an incredible 15 grams of protein with 2 spoons, but it also helps you so that you can make your shake taste so yummy, because this is also a creamer. All right, and I normally take either 1 or 2 tablespoons of this, not so heaped. Okay, let me just see about there. Okay, so like that into my shake, and this I can now mix with water. So if I'm driving around, I can just throw some water in. Because of the protein drink mix, it's got a creamer in, and it's got the extra protein, so I'm going to get even better results. I stick in my little shaker goodie, and then a little bit of water. So normally about 300 mils of water, 250 to 300 mils of water, and you can measure the water out if you want first. And I'll give you guys a nice tip. If you've got, make sure this thing is closed properly, otherwise it's going to go all over your office. And then so you're going to turn it over before the water gets to the bottom, tap it like that, and then you just shake it up. Give it a good shake so everyone can hear you shaking your shake, and then there we go, voila, your shake is ready. Okay, so that's basically our video for today. Remember, 2 heaped tablespoons of your shake plus 1 or 2 of the protein drink mix. Then you can add 250 mils to 300 mils of water. Or if you don't have the protein drink mix, then you can use like a liquid soy milk, almond milk, or something like that. Thank you for watching this video, and please head over to oliver-ramos.com, and if you go to oliver-ramos.com, you'll be able to see my YouTube channel if you click over here, and if you click over here you'll be able to see my Facebook page, and you'll be able to get there quite easily. So the YouTube channel, just click on that little YouTube logo, and over there you just click on the Facebook logo, and feel free to connect with me and ask me any questions that you have. That'll be really amazing to be able to communicate with you. Have a great day.